I am going to do the toy reviews. No comments at the moment. It's not even been a day out yet. But I am going to do the toy reviews. And what I'm going to do is do a 5-pack of Deadly 60 Micro Deadly 5-pack. Okay? So there's 3 little sets you can get. And I have got the middle one, which has the python, the platypus, the crocodile, the orca, and the bald eagle. So, let's just finish up. As I've said, I've already opened this and played with it, so I know what bits come off and stuff out. And it's a little bit loose. I'm dropping it. I'm just getting it. I'm dropping everything. Okay, there we go. So, I'll just get everything out. Okay, so I've got everything out. Now, so just take them apart. So I can actually show them what parts come off. Okay, so this is for the orca whale. For the body. It just pops on like that. Boop. And then we've got tiny little tail. It goes on just like that. And then obviously the most important piece of detail, the fin, right? Alright. The fin. Okay? So there's the whale. Pop that out there. What's that? What I'll do is just I just don't know it. Okay, so I'll just show you it. Okay. So whale, you put it over there. Okay, so now we've got to put together the biggest one. YouTube. Yes. Sorry. Like that. So then we've got tail. And then all you've got to really do is put that together. Just keep doing that. Final bit. Right, no. That's right. No, that's right. Wait a second. That bit's like that. Right, these are all the wrong bits. Wait a second, sorry guys. So, that bit goes on like that. Then this bit goes just on there. This one's easier because it's just completely rubber. So it's not plastic or something. Down. Drop the head, and then you just put the head on the end. And then there. And you've got your python. Now we've got all my favourites. Oh, got to show you something with the whale. To get the whale, get the bottom jaw of it, you can open up the mouth. You can only do this with the whale and the crocodile. And I think you can do it with some of the other ones that I don't know about. Maybe with like the tiger and stuff. Okay, so then this one has the most pieces. Okay? So first we've got this. One like that. Then we've got the tail. It pops on like that. So then we've got this so far, and then we've got legs. I'll just skip this bit. Well, not skip, but you know. I'll show you this bit, or it should just take forever. So you Mhm. Pop them on. What can you even do? This is really not working as well. I don't know. Yeah, the crocodile is like, even though it's like one of the coolest, most fragile, and the tail fell off. There we go. We put the tail back on. Put it on like that. Hang on, so it's easy. With no rubber. And then one of my favourite parts about the crocodile is, can I open and close its mouth? Ready? And then book. So then we've got two left. Obviously they're still last. So we've got the eagle. That. So then we've got the body. Hop on the wings. And the head. And then we're done with the eagle. I'm just going to show you the eagle. And then pop that. Obviously they're still last. It's like a duck and a beaver. Let it burst. That's what we do. We take them on far. And literally he just goes like that. And for the legs you just do what you do with a crocodile. That's basically the crocodile just a little bit first. So, if you ever want to find one of these, look for a box that looks like that, with all the animals you want inside. So I'll read out the ones you can get in pack. Pack 1. Transvaal fat-tailed scorpion, polar bear, giant Pacific octopus, black rhino and the Bengal tiger. And I don't really need to do pack 2 because I've already showed you, but I'll do that anyway. Bald eagle, orca whale, saltwater crocodile, platypus and the Burmese python. And the third one is king cobra, wolf, grizzly bear, walrus and lioness. I'll just give you a little look of them. That's good. Okay, so then you can get any one of these, but it's not randomised. We've got like certain packs, so box 2 you will always get these. You will always get these ones if you choose box 2. So yeah, and you got the little scan. Little scan up there. There you can. You can use that if you want. Oh, you can scan that if you want. And inside the box is orange. It's got W16 logo, that's all I can really say in the box. But I should have it somewhere, oh, never mind. I have this, you know, like little booklet with all their details in it. All the animal details. But it also comes with these little clip thingies. So you can put them under your animals and they stand up. So yeah, that was all for today. Well, not today, because I've still got one more episode to do. I've got an episode of Roblox to do today. So that's the end of this